Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have Haylou W1 headphones. I'm going to show you how can you easily find user manual. To find user manual, at first you have to go into your web browser and then search for Haylou W1 user manual and click go. Now you have to scroll almost all the way down to Haylou W1 from Haylou.com. It's its official website. Now you have to scroll down. Wait a moment, our website must load in. Now, I don't know why it occurred, but it occurred. Now we can scroll almost all the way down so that we can see manuals on download. User manual, we have to click download. Now as you can see, Haylou W1 Haylou. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.